TU 2022 Advanced MME question number 5D. Maximize the utility function u is equal to fxy equals to log x plus y. So u is equal to log of x plus y subject to the budget constraint pxx plus pyy equals to m. Check the second order conditions. Okay. See, if we want to find out the maxima or minima, if we use the Lagrange multiplier method, then we have to consider a function gxy lambda, where lambda is the Lagrange multiplier. And this will be equal to u plus lambda times pxx plus pyy minus m. Okay. So gxy lambda will be equal to log x plus y plus lambda pxx plus pyy minus m. So the first order condition is that for maxima or minima, that the first derivative with respect to x and the first derivative with respect to y should be equal to 0. So if we take the first derivative, it will be 1 upon x plus lambda times px. This should be equal to 0. If we take the first derivative with respect to y, it will be 1 plus lambda times py equals to 0. So from here, lambda will be equal to minus 1 upon x times px. And from here, lambda will be equal to minus 1 upon py. So therefore, we should have minus 1 upon x px is equal to minus 1 upon py. So we should be having px upon py equals to 1 upon x as the condition for the maxima or minima of the utility function. Now, if we want to verify whether it is a maxima or a minima, we have to check the second order condition. So let us look at the second order derivative. Okay. So for that, let us look at u only. If the second order derivative is negative, then we have a maxima. So we had a condition like this. So u was, and in fact, then from here we can get this. Plus we'll get the value for y. So this will be m minus pxx divided by py. So u is log x plus m by py minus px by pyx. So the first derivative is 1 upon x, okay, and minus px by py. Everything is in terms of x. These are constants, okay, and these are dependent on x. So, and when we look at the second derivative, it will be minus 1 upon x square, which is going to be negative. So we have a maximum value for the utility function at px upon py equals to 1 by x. Okay. So when we put px by py equals to 1 by x, so if we look at this particular condition, so now let's find out that what is the maximum value. Okay. So we have this condition px upon py equals to 1 upon x and u is equal to this plus y. And what was y? Y was this m upon py minus px upon py into x. So this is m upon py and px upon py is 1 upon x. So that is going to be minus 1 upon x into x. So u is equal to log x plus m by py minus 1. So this is the value.